Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the schedule on your Honeywell T4R, T6, T6R and T6 Pro thermostat. Now, before making any of the changes, it's very important for you to note that these Honeywell thermostats are designed to follow a programmed schedule by default. Therefore, even if you manually adjust the temperature, the thermostat may eventually return to the next scheduled set point unless the schedule is overridden. So you need to first of all start by pressing the up and the down arrow button. As soon as you change the temperature, the thermostat will create a temporary override. However, this only lasts until the next schedule period begins. Now, in order to activate the permanent hold, what you need to do is you need to simply press the menu button and then you need to navigate to the hold. Now you need to simply select the permanent hold option and you need to confirm your choice. So once it is enabled, the thermostat will maintain the selected temperature indefinitely and it will stop following the programmed schedule. Now you can also return to the home screen and here you should see a message that would say permanent hold or an icon of hold on the display. So this confirms that the schedule has been successfully overridden. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.